Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to deposit USDT into your Pocket Option account so you can start trading right away. The process is really simple, but I'll walk you through each step so there's no confusion. First, log in to your Pocket Option account. If you're on mobile, just open the app and sign in with your credentials. If you're on desktop, head to the Pocket Option website and do the same. Once you're logged in, look for the deposit button. It's usually located at the top of the screen in both the app and the web version. Click on it to open the deposit menu. Next, select your preferred payment method. Since we're depositing USDT, choose the USDT option from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Depending on the platform, you might see different network choices like Turk20, ERC20, or BEP20. Pick the one you normally use, or the one that matches your wallet. Now enter the amount of USDT you want to deposit. Double-check the amount before moving forward, and make sure your external wallet has enough funds to cover both the deposit and any network fees. Once you've entered the amount, the system will generate a deposit address for you. Copy that address, then open your external wallet or exchange account and send the exact amount of USDT to that address. Always make sure you're sending on the correct network. Sending on the wrong one could result in lost funds. After you send the payment, it will take a few minutes for the blockchain to confirm the transaction. Once it's confirmed, your USDT will appear in your Pocket Option account balance, ready for trading. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deposited USDT into Pocket Option. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover withdrawals next.